Are you struggling to manage your credit card debt? In 2026, the landscape of credit card spending and debt management has evolved, with new tools and strategies that can help you avoid falling into the trap of high-interest debt. With the convenience of digital payments and the ease of using credit cards, it's more important than ever to implement effective strategies to stay on top of your finances. In this guide, we'll explore 5 actionable ways to avoid credit card debt, so you can spend smarter, save more, and build a stronger financial future. Let's dive in and find out how you can avoid credit card debt once and for all. 1. The gamified payment method. In 2026, modern shopping apps and payment platforms are designed to make spending as seamless and effortless as possible. Many of these apps use one-tap buying features to bypass your brain's logic center, encouraging you to spend without considering the consequences. These apps and services capitalize on convenience and instant gratification, making it so easy to make purchases with a single click. While this convenience may be appealing, it can also lead to a higher likelihood of impulse spending and, eventually, credit card debt. The ease of completing a purchase without pausing to think about it often leads to overspending, especially when the payment is instantly processed and there's little psychological barrier to making a transaction. One effective way to counter this is to remove your primary credit card from all express checkout profiles. This means you will no longer be able to tap a single button to make a purchase without thinking. By doing so, you're forced to take an extra step when making purchases, such as manually entering payment information. This simple action reintroduces the physical act of entering data into the process and slows things down. This added friction makes you more conscious of your spending and restores the psychological pain of spending money, which can significantly reduce impulse purchases. You'll be less likely to make a purchase on a whim because it's no longer as effortless as clicking one button. Another powerful tactic is to use a digital debit card for your daily purchases instead of a credit card. Unlike credit cards, debit cards draw money directly from your bank account, which means you'll immediately see your balance drop when you make a purchase. This creates a tangible reminder of your spending, helping you become more mindful of your purchases and avoid the temptation to overspend. By making this small but impactful adjustment, you can regain control over your spending habits and avoid accumulating credit card debt. When using a debit card, the funds are withdrawn instantly from your checking account, which means there is no grace period before you are charged. This is a powerful reminder to think carefully before each purchase, as it impacts your available cash balance immediately. With a credit card, you may have the illusion of more available funds, but with a debit card, you see the immediate impact on your financial situation. This creates a more conscious relationship with your money, helping you track your spending habits and prevent unnecessary debt from building up over time. 2. Smart limit sandboxing. Another effective strategy to avoid credit card debt in 2026 is to implement smart limit sandboxing. This approach involves using a fintech app to create a virtual burner card specifically for high-risk categories like dining out, entertainment, or retail purchases. These categories can quickly add up and result in credit card debt if not carefully monitored. The key to smart limited sandboxing is setting a hard monthly cap on that virtual card, such as $400. Once you hit that limit, the card will decline at the point of sale. This system works as a sandbox for your spending, creating a built-in constraint that prevents you from overspending. It helps you stick to a set budget for discretionary expenses and prevents the single weekend of indulgence from turning into a year of interest payments and debt. By using a separate virtual card with a defined limit, you can avoid the temptation to use your primary credit card for non-essential purchases. Additionally, this approach allows you to isolate your discretionary spending from your primary bank account, helping you stay more organized and focused on maintaining a healthy financial life. The best part is that once you've reached your monthly limit, there's no room to overdraw or carry a balance, which makes it much easier to avoid accumulating debt. This strategy ensures that you're only spending what you can afford, creating a built-in check on impulse purchases while still giving you the flexibility to enjoy life's pleasures without the worry of overspending. 3. The AI interest shield monitor. Credit card interest can pile up quickly, especially if you're not vigilant about paying your balance in full each month. One of the best ways to avoid credit card debt in 2026 is by enabling an AI interest shield monitor. This AI-powered financial assistant scans your credit card statements for pending interest, giving you a clear and accurate picture of how much interest you'll owe if you don't pay off your balance by the end of the week. These tools can predict the exact amount of interest you'll be charged and provide a notification such as, "You are about to pay $45 in lazy tax this month." This proactive approach gives you the necessary shock to prioritize making a payment before it's too late. Instead of being caught off guard by interest charges at the end of the month, the AI will alert you in advance, making it easier to avoid unnecessary fees. Seeing the potential interest charges in real time can act as a strong motivator to pay down your balance before it starts accumulating. This system allows you to stay ahead of interest rates and keep your credit card balance in check, so you can avoid paying high interest charges and steer clear of credit card debt. 4. Buy Now, Pay Never browser extensions. Buy Now, Pay Later (BNPL) services have become incredibly popular, offering consumers the option to break up their purchases into small, interest-free payments. While this may seem like an attractive option, it can lead to microdebt, where seemingly small $20 installments add up and secretly eat into your paycheck, ultimately leading to credit card debt. To avoid falling into this trap, consider installing a browser extension that detects BNPL prompts at checkout. These extensions are designed to automatically hide or block the Pay in Full option, forcing you to see the full price of an item up front. By making you aware of the true cost of a purchase, this tool helps you make more informed decisions and prevents you from falling victim to the BNPL trap. This extension also allows you to prioritize paying for purchases in full, rather than spreading the cost across multiple months, which can lead to accumulating debt and interest charges over time. By removing the temptation to break up payments into smaller amounts, you'll be less likely to overextend yourself financially. It's a simple yet effective tool that helps you keep your finances in check and avoid getting into credit card debt. 5. The Cashback Redirection Hack. Many people use credit cards for the rewards and cashback benefits, but this can sometimes be a double-edged sword. While earning cashback can be a great perk, it can also encourage you to spend more than you would if you weren't chasing those rewards. In 2026, there's a simple hack to ensure that the cashback you earn is actually working for you, not encouraging more spending. If you must use a credit card for rewards, set your cashback to automatically deposit into your credit card's principal balance rather than a point store. This ensures that the card's own earnings are constantly working to pay down the balance, rather than tempting you to spend more on free merchandise or experiences. This system effectively turns the cashback rewards into a tool for paying off your debt, rather than allowing it to be a reason for more spending. By using this method, you're using the rewards you've earned to offset the balance and keep your spending in check. Instead of allowing the cashback rewards to be a temptation, they become part of your strategy to avoid credit card debt and maintain a healthy balance. There you have it, the top 5 ways to avoid credit card debt in 2026. From using AI-powered interest shields to redirecting cashback rewards, these strategies will help you stay in control of your finances and avoid unnecessary debt. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on managing your money and avoiding financial pitfalls. Let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first. I'll see you in the next video.